Most woodworking must-haves just collect sawdust, but these 15 earn their place, and number 1 isn't a saw, a sander, or a drill. Every one is a tool DIYers genuinely swear by. Clever, affordable, the kind you'll wonder how you lived without. Subscribe so your next build goes smoother, and comment the tool you'd grab first. Keep a guess ready for number 1. Number 15 costs less than a sandwich. The POWERTEC Abrasive Cleaning Stick, $11. Sanding belts and discs clog with pitch and gum fast, and most people just throw them out. Press this natural rubber stick against a spinning belt, and the buildup lifts off instantly, bringing worn abrasives back to life. One stick outlasts dozens of belts and pays for itself many times over, the cheapest way to stop tossing money in the dustbin. At 14, the 3D multi-angle measuring ruler, $25, marking a clean 45 for a miter, or a repeatable 90, usually means fumbling with a square and a pencil. This aluminum tool nests right over a corner and scribes perfect angles in one motion. Inside edges, outside edges, even hole spacing. For trim, frames, and box joints, it turns layout from a guessing game into a 2-second job. Tiny, cheap, and weirdly addictive once it's on the bench. Number 13. The SUIZAN Ryoba Double-Edge Pull Saw, $50. Western saws cut on the push, which flexes thin blades and lets them wander off the line. This Japanese blade cuts on the pull, so it stays dead straight and slices cleaner with almost no effort. One edge is filed for rip cuts, the other for cross cuts. Two saws living in a single handle. For hand-cut joinery and flush trimming, the finish off this blade can look almost sanded. At 12, the FastCap Glu-Bot, $13. Standard glue bottles clog, drip down the side, and dump a puddle the second you tip them. This one feeds from the bottom, so glue flows the instant you squeeze and stops clean when you let go. No crust, no mess. The wide base won't tip, and the spout lays a precise bead right where the joint needs it. Anyone who's wrestled a gummed-up cap will get this one immediately. Number 11. Rockler Bench Cookies, $19 for a 4-pack. These little grippy pucks lift your workpiece off the bench so you can sand, route, or finish all the way to the edge with nothing clamped in the way. The rubber faces grab top and bottom so the piece won't slide while you work. Flip a board to finish both sides without smudging a wet surface. They sound gimmicky right up until you use them once. That's the budget tier done, and we're just getting started. The next 10 are the tools that quietly separate clean work from amateur hour. Stick around. Top 10 starts with the Wixey Digital Angle Gauge, $26. Setting a table saw or miter blade to an exact angle with the factory scale is basically a coin flip. Stick this magnetic gauge on the blade, zero it against the table, then tilt until the screen reads exactly what you want. Accurate to a 1/10 of a degree. Perfect bevels, tight miters, and repeatable setups every single time. For the price of takeout, it removes the guesswork that ruins expensive boards. At 9, the Milescraft 1409 Track Saw Guide, $120. A real track saw runs 300 to 600, but this clamps onto the circular saw you already own and turns it into one. The saw rides locked in an aluminum rail, so a full sheet of plywood gets a glass-smooth, splinter-free cut up to 50 inches long. Dead straight, no tear out. Breaking down sheet goods solo in the garage suddenly feels effortless, and that's a serious chunk of money saved. Number 8. The MICROJIG MATCHFIT Dovetail Clamps, $49 for a pair. Cut a simple dovetail groove into any board or jig, and these clamps lock straight into it. No drilling, no T-track hardware needed. That means custom hold-downs, fences, and assembly jigs you can build in minutes for almost nothing. They grip flat and stay completely out of the way. And once a dovetail track is in your bench, the whole shop becomes one giant clamping surface. At 7, the Kreg 520 Pro Pocket-Hole Jig, $84. Strong, hidden joints used to mean clamps, glue, and a whole lot of patience. This jig drills an angled hole so a single screw pulls two boards tight and flush. No clamping, no weighting, almost impossible to mess up. Shelves, face frames, cabinets, and furniture go together in a fraction of the usual time. For anyone building their first real projects, it's the tool that makes joinery finally click. Number 6 costs $15 and quietly outperforms tools 10 times its price. The ATLIN Honing Guide. A dull chisel tears and crushes wood fibers. A truly sharp one glides through end grain like soft cheese. And sharpening freehand is exactly how most people round off a good edge. This jig clamps the blade at a locked, repeatable angle, so every stroke hits the same bevel, and you get a mirror-polished, scary sharp edge in minutes. Sharpen once, work cleaner forever. Pound for pound, the smartest $15 in the shop. Alright, top 5, the heavy hitters. If a tool here just earned a spot on your wish list, tap like so the algorithm shows it to more woodworkers. And drop your guess for number 1 right now. Last chance before the reveal. Top 5. Number 5. The Oneida Dust Deputy Cyclone Separator, $40. A shop vacuum loses suction the moment its filter clogs with fine dust. And that invisible fine dust is exactly what wrecks your lungs and gums up your tools. This cyclone sits between the vac and your tool, spinning 99% of the debris down into a bucket before it ever reaches the filter. That means full suction all day, filters that last for years instead of weeks, and far cleaner air in the shop. Dumping a bucket beats fighting a choked vacuum every time. At 4, the Makita RT0701C Compact Router, $155. Most people picture a router as a big, scary machine. This palm-sized version flips that completely. It rounds over sharp edges, cuts clean dados, trims edge banding flush, and carves decorative profiles, all with one hand and a smooth, soft start motor. Variable speed and a fine depth dial make it forgiving enough for a nervous beginner, yet precise enough for real furniture. Drop it into a router table later and it does even more. If one power tool quietly transforms the look of your work overnight, woodworkers say it's this one. Number 3. The Kreg MortiseMate, $300. And it does something that used to cost well over $1,000. Floating tenon joinery, the kind that makes tables, chairs, and doors rock solid for decades, normally means a high-end festool domino machine. The MortiseMate cuts those same precise, repeatable mortises using just a clamp, a guide, and the drill you already own. Drop in a hardwood Loose-Tenon, glue it up, and you've got furniture-grade joints at a fraction of the price. For serious builders, it's the closest thing woodworking has to a cheat code for strength. At 2, the JessEm Clear Cut Flex Stock Guides, $106. Push a board through a table saw by hand and it can drift off the fence or kick back hard. Dangerous, and the fastest way to ruin an expensive cut. These spring-loaded rollers press down and inward at the same time, hugging the stock tight to the fence while smoothly feeding it forward. The board tracks perfectly straight every time. Your hands stay well clear of the blade and kickback drops dramatically. It's the kind of pro shop accuracy and safety that makes an ordinary saw feel brand new. So, number 1. Remember, it's not a saw, a sander, or a drill. It's the one tool nearly every woodworker owns. Last guess? The number 1 tool DIYers swear by is the MICROJIG GR-R-Ripper, $77. And here's exactly why it wins. First, the surprise. It's not a saw or a sander at all. It's a push block that grips your workpiece on both sides of the blade at once, with a center leg that rides down inside the cut for total control. Second, the practical part. It keeps your fingers inches from danger while feeding stock smoothly, and it adjusts to fit table saws, router tables, band saws, and joiners. Third, the real reason. It protects the 10 fingers you do everything with. Woodworkers say if you buy one thing for your shop, make it this. There it is, 15 genius tools, 0 wasted money. The best upgrade is the one you put to work. So don't let these sit in a cart. Subscribe and hit the bell because next up, the budget power tools that punch way above their price. See you in the shop.